I've installed a lot of mods on my Silverado, but this is one I've been wanting to do since the day I bought the truck. For some reason, my Trail Boss came with these wood grain trim pieces, and honestly, they've always looked out of place in a truck like this. Every time I get in this truck, these are the first things I notice. They've bothered me since day one. So I picked up this 6-piece carbon fiber replacement trim kit, and today we're swapping out every piece. This upgrade should completely change the look of the interior and finally give this truck the style it deserves. I already have the Z Innovations carbon fiber steering wheel installed, so these new trim pieces should tie everything together perfectly. Let's get these installed and see how much of a difference they make. Installing these is actually really straightforward. All you need is a plastic trim remove tool to carefully pop the factory trim loose. Once it's off, the new carbon fiber piece snaps right into the factory clips. So for this one, the retaining clips got stuck in the door panel, so you'll just need to take some needle nose pliers and pull those out. Grabbing the new one on the bench, if you flip them over, they'll be labeled. This is front left, so this one goes in this position. You'll just slide that in there, and then this should just clip right in. And that's it. After you've done the first one, the rest are pretty much the same. Just work your way around the truck, swapping each factory piece with the new carbon fiber replacement. I do have one of the trim pieces that does not have the clips on the back, so I'm just gonna take them off of the factory piece. And just like that, all 6 pieces are installed. The whole process only took about 10 minutes from start to finish. This definitely did change the interior of this truck. I really like this look better than the wood grain. Now, as far as matching the steering wheel, this is a lot better quality than what those are, but it's hard to find good quality. They're all just kind of printed on there, but I do like these better than that wood grain. When I bought this truck, that was definitely something I've always been confused about, why they would put a wood grain trim in an off-road sporty truck. Why not put some carbon fiber? The wood grain is more for like a luxury vehicle. There is one thing I do want to check, and that's to make sure these trim pieces don't come flying off when you slam the door. So let's do that now and open it up, and it does seem to still be in place, so we're good there. One thing I do want to mention, if you're thinking about doing this yourself, be careful when you're shopping for these on Amazon. The first set I ordered was just stick-on covers that go over the factory trim. That's not what I wanted, so I sent those back and ordered this full replacement kit instead. So guys, if this is an upgrade you want to do, I'll make sure I leave a link in the description below of the exact ones I bought. That way you don't make the same mistake I did. Now also just know, this is not the best quality. This is a carbon fiber print, but I do like them a lot more than that wood grain. Well, I appreciate y'all watching this, and until next time, we'll see y'all.